Next is the continuous suture, a very useful type of suture in large flap. It saves time and saves material. Let's start. Take the first bite, continue across the wound, exit from the opposite direction, pull the needle along its curvature. Now let's start tying the anchor knot. Now, just like the simple interrupted suture, instead we will cut only the short end of the suture. This is called the anchor knot. Now we will continue along the incision line in a symmetrical fashion. Take the second bite, continue to the opposite side, exit, keep the tension of the suture, and this is how we will advance along the incision line. Continue. Exit from the opposite side, pull the needle, continue. You can see how it is running along the incision line. That's why it's called sometimes a running suture instead of a continuous suture. Now we will take the last bite. In order to finalize the suture, we will leave a short loop and treat it just like the short end of the suture. Let's take a look how we will tie the knot. This is our loop. Double throw, catch the loop, pull it the opposite direction. Single throw, grasp the loop, again the opposite direction. And this is our knot, formed by the loop and the long end of the suture. This is the anchor knot, while this is the ending knot. Now we will cut the knot. This is simple continuous suture.